use the given conditions to write an equation of a line in point-slope form and in slope-intercept form. And here are the conditions. The line that they're giving us passes through this point right here, -3, -4, and it is parallel to this line. So what we're going to have two things here. We have a point on the line, and we're going to use this, which is the equation of another line, to find the slope, because this equation is parallel to ours. So if you can find the slope of this line, and it's parallel, it's going to be exactly the same. All right, so let's do it. We have a point here. Here is our point. What is the slope of this line right here? Well, the slope is the coefficient in front of the x. So the slope here is -2. And if our line is parallel to this line, our slope is also -2. So there's the point, and here is the slope. So we're going to use the point-slope formula, which is right here. And we are going to plug in these things. We're going to plug in the y1, we're going to plug in the m, and we're going to plug in the x1. And we have three numbers. So when I look at this point, I know that x comes before y, just like in the alphabet, x, y, z. So this is x1 is -3, and y1 is -4. And then I also know the slope over here to the right. So let's go ahead and plug them in. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I always use a blank before I go and plug in, a blank set of parentheses. And the reason is because we might plug in something that's negative, and in this case that's true. So y1 goes right here where y1 is. It's going to go right here, and that is -4. So y1 is -4. And look at this for a second. When we're subtracting a y1 and y1 is negative, we're subtracting a negative. Okay, that's going to end up being positive. M is the slope. We know that that is -2. So we're going to plug that in right here. -2. And then x1 is -3. That's going to go where x1 is, which is right here. So x minus x1 is x minus a -3. All right. We have y minus a -4 is +4 equals -2 times x minus a -3 is x plus 3. All right, so we kind of cleaned it up, and this is our equation in point-slope form. Okay, so this is point-slope form. Now, they want the equation in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And what you'll notice is that your y is by itself. So if we can get the y by itself, we will have it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to move it over here. I'll put it in green. Y plus 4 equals -2 times x plus 3. So we're going to want to get rid of this plus 4 and move it to the other side. But before we do that, let's go ahead and distribute, and we'll give this plus 4 something to combine with on the right side. So let's distribute. I'm going to have y plus 4 equals -2x, and then -2 times 3 is -6. All right, one more step. Subtract 4 from the left side, subtract 4 from the right side, and drop down my equals. My y is by itself, and this is -2x minus 10. Okay, and this is in slope-intercept form. Okay, y equals mx plus b. All right, I'll write it up here. slope intercept. And that's what they want.